we bring you the answers to all your questions. Be better than others. Enjoy the benefits of knowledge. Accept the answers from us.
Currently, no Boeing 707 are in commercial operations. Saha Airlines in Iran operated the last commercial Boeing 707, but they retired it in 2015. However, the Boeing 707 still operates for 5 militaries and 1 company, Chilean Air Force One aircraft, used for AEW&C.
Our mission is to provide accurate answers. We think without knowledge, it is impossible to live a balanced life. Be competent, be skillful. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to subscribe and hit the bell notification.